I hope to learn a lot, to meet new people, hopefully find my place inside this company. My ideal working environment, the feeling that you're safe there, it's the most important thing. And it's something that's hard to describe why that is. It just exists. I get to make mistakes because we all do. I get to ask questions if I have some, although I try to do my research first. And I've liked that everyone here is asking all the time that, so what could we do better? So it's like an endless discussion how to make things better for everyone. There's a dialogue. I have family members that has been working for Nokia, and they told me that even though they've been in the house for 10 or 20 years, they still don't quite grasp it. So it's a huge network and there's endless possibilities, I think, for everyone.